guys, this is me and Miku here. You can see Miku here. And today Miku went out and he was roaming around the surrounding, I guess. And he did not want to come home. He is so, spoiled right now. Look at him. He's literally trying to, shout at me. Look at him. I'm not doing anything. But you can see how spoiled brat Miku has become. Look at him. He's angry at us because we called him home. He didn't want to come home. He wanted to gather other cats in the surrounding and then fight with them. He was fighting with all the cats all morning and he's not satisfied with that. Look at him. Miku? I've never heard Miku shout this much. Oh my, look at him rebelling against me. By the way guys, I don't have any speaker on and this is from the camera only, the sound which is. So yeah guys, I think that's pretty much it for today's vlog. I did not talk at all in today's vlog because I wanted it to be a silent vlog. So yeah, and you will have to deal with another subtitles. See you in my next vlog. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. And if you're not new, then I will be back very soon with another video. Bye bye.